Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is a requested one. We all know that on this channel Saturdays for Style Saturdays. So I took your request and you guys asked me to style a denim jacket. Now, firstly, I'm gonna show you all the denim jackets that I have and how, if you are planning to buy, you can go for some similar styles. So one of the jackets that I have is this one. This is like a cropped denim jacket and this is very basic, बिल्कुल plain है ये, कुछ extra नहीं है, and you will get this around 500 or 600. I got this from Meesho or Flipkart, I don't remember. I think I got this from Meesho, but similar jackets are available online everywhere. So make sure you check out the link like in the description box below. Second jacket that I have in cropped style is this one. This is like super cute and it's an amazing find. I actually found this in Sarojini Nagar and it was, I think, around 400 or maybe 300, but you guys, this is super cute. It has Mickey Mouse printed on it. What else do I want on my denim jacket, right? But yeah, this is super cute. Next jacket that I want to show you is this one. It is distressed and it is like very oversized. I got this from Forever 21 and it's in size small. Yes, I know it doesn't look like because uska fit hi oversized hai. So that is something, you know, you can go for if you have that kind of style, like very loose and bulky clothes. Like if you like something like that, I think I'm like both of these person. Sometimes I'm in a mood of dressing like pura oversized, and sometimes I'm like I want to be structured and, you know, show my waist size to the world. So yeah, that's about it. So this is one more denim jacket, but it's like not proper jacket. This is like a shirt, sort of shirt material, but this is something I really love, and this is again oversized. I got this from Only. Look at this. Isn't this so cool? इसे काफी बड़ा feminist लिखा है, and I really love this shirt slash jacket, whatever you can say. So in today's video, we're going to be styling these jackets basically with different styles. I'm going to show you like 3 styles each, like how you can, you know, pair your cropped jacket with different outfits, and then how you can pair your oversized jackets with different outfits. So yeah, today's video is going to be about that. But before going to the video, I want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and like this video already, because I know that you love me. And yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. So for the first look, I chose this turtleneck and these checkered skirts with my thigh-high boots, and then paired my oversized jacket over it, and I think it looks really cool. You guys, I love knee-high, sorry I said thigh-high, but it's knee-high actually. मुझे knee-high boots और shorts पहनना winter में, this is like my favorite combination. And then अगर आप उसको oversized jacket के साथ pair कर दोगे तो it will look super cool. It will look like you have, you know, put some effort, but actually you have not. So yeah. For the next look, I went with like all white look. I'm wearing this flared pants with a spaghetti top. Of course, this is not for like a full-on winter weather, but this is basically how I like to style my jacket. So that's how I would like to style my oversized denim jacket. I think this looks like really cool and very street stylish. Plus all the links to the outfits, like to the similar outfits basically, will be in the description box below, because these outfits are like old, so I can't find like exact links to these. But yeah, this look is like one of my favorites in this video because, you know, it has white. Next look, I'm going with joggers with my chunky sneakers, and again I'm pairing it with like an oversized denim jacket to give it very street style vibes. When you are in a mood to dress very cool, this is the look you go for, because I don't know, it just makes me feel like a cool kid. And then to complete the look, I have paired this bag with it. Also, I was checking if my zip is closed or not. Okay, so yeah, this is the complete look, and I think it's our last look for, you know, oversized jackets. But honestly, I really love this look. Okay, for the next look, I have paired like normal straight fit jeans and a red spaghetti top with my Mickey Mouse jacket. Denim on denim will never ever ever get old. Plus denim and red का जो combination होता है ना, it's like forever green. I mean, it will forever stay here, and it always looks good according to me at least. And then to complete the look, I'm wearing like my chunky sneakers with a white belt to match my belt and shoes. Again, this look is like super casual. Then for the next look, I have paired this dress, which is super dressy, by the way, super fancy. If you ever want to tone down your dresses, you can go for sneakers and pair it up with a denim jacket. You are good to go. Like, it's a perfect casual day out outfit. You don't have to think that this dress is so fancy. You have like actually dressed it down with sneakers and a very casual denim jacket. For the last look of this video, I'm doing denim on denim again, but this time मैंने एक स्कर्ट पेयर किया है with my crop denim jacket. उसके अंदर मैंने बहुत ही simple white t-shirt पेयर किया है, and I've paired my boots like ankle high boots with a tan color bag, and I'm good to go. Yeah, that was it for the video. Comment down below your favorite look. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video.